Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Fivem client support error code 126. So there are some methods out there that you can try. For example, you can locate your Fivem folder. You can try to disable or uninstall your antivirus first and try to relaunch the application or relaunch the software or games. If that doesn't work, you encounter that error every time you launch the app, you can try to verify your games. For example, in the GTA 5 directory, replace its content with a stripe verify and launch the game. So you can go to the command line text in the GTA 5 directory and replace its content with stripe verify and launch the game here, for example. And here you can find the command line text on in the installation folder. And also you can try to copy the text. This one, copy this. You can pause the video. The 8006 8006axx.dynamic library by in the CMD command prompt system run as administrator. Here you can pass the command line and hit enter. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.